everyone, welcome to the 19th video of our Biopharmaceutics challenge, whereby today we will see about the Lipinski rule of 5. So here's what I have got for you all, and then I will give you few examples of compounds which violate the Lipinski rule of 5 or some compounds which actually fall under the Lipinski rule of 5. So first let's understand what exactly does this Lipinski rule of 5 states. So Lipinski rule of 5 have certain assumptions that confirm that compound, any drug compound or molecule will be orally effective or not. So this actually offers us a set of criterias which confirm that the drug compound is orally effective or not. So while making actually a list of criterias and defining your system, whatever you're targeting, you can actually use it in the formulation strategy also, whereby at this looking at the drug compound, you must already know that it will fall under the category that it will be orally effective or not. For example, let's see what are these criterias first, right? So first things first, we have number one criteria, the molecular weight. The molecular weight of the drug compound must be less than equal to 500 Dalton. It must be less than equal to 500 Dalton. Second is the number of hydrogen bond acceptor. So in the structure, the hydrogen bond acceptor must be less than or equal to 10, right? Third one is your number of hydrogen bond donor. So now the number of hydrogen bond donors in the structure must be less than equal to 5. Last but not the least, we have log P, that also must be less than equal to 5. Log P will indicate the lipophilicity. So these four criteria, as you can see, then why we say it is the Lipinski rule of 5? Because all the criteria fall with, just like we have 500, that will be 5 into 100. Everything here is a multiple of 5. 10 will be 5 into 10. Hydrogen bond donor will be 5 into 1. And log P value will also be 5 into 1. So you can see every rule here, every criteria here is under the with the multiple of 5. So we say it is the Lipinski rule of 5. So these set criteria will give you an idea of the drug compound, a qualitative guide to design the orally deliverable compound or not. So any one violation or two violations, we say the compound violates the Lipinski rule of 5. That is why it is not orally deliverable. So let's see few, yes, we have seen the Lipinski rule of 5 gives the qualitative attempt to develop the tools which design the orally active drug compound. So for that the molecular weight must be 500 Dalton or less. Number of hydrogen bond donor must be less than or equal to 5. Number of hydrogen bond acceptors must be 10 or less than 10. Log P, lipophilicity indicating must be equal to 5 or less than 5. So these are 5 criteria that help us to categorize the drug molecule. So this is a table that I have taken from a paper. You can see with the values that are given if the rule is violated or not, right? So satisfying this Lipinski rule of 5, we have to see if two or more properties are violated or not. So first example is of gingerone B. We have molecular weight of 386. We have hydrogen bond donor 6. We have hydrogen bond donor 2, acceptor 6, log P value 3.5. So you know number one criteria was the molecular weight must be equal to or less than 500. So definitely the molecular weight falls under the category. Then we have hydrogen bond acceptor, that must be less than equal to 10. Here it is 6, so the rule is not violated. Then we have hydrogen bond donor, that must be less than equal to 5. So here the value is 2, that is also not violated. So log P is also less than 5, it is 3.7. We say the Lipinski violations are 0. So now let's take another example of this compound which is mentioned here. Here the molecular weight is 204. So definitely it satisfies our first criteria. Lipinski rule is not violated. Then says hydrogen bond acceptors are 0. So yes, here also it is not violated. Hydrogen bond donors are 0. Log P is 3.6. So nearly we can say one rule here is violated. So by using the structural properties of the molecule will help us decide what is the best model for them, how the formulation must be designed, what strategies must be followed. So initial screening is done based on this Lipinski rule of 5. Thank you so much. I hope you have got your important points noted and we'll meet in the next video.